Hi guys. I was actually planning to bake a gingerbread house today for Christmas. I hope you're gonna join me. Let's get started. It is 1 a.m. and we decided to actually continue baking our gingerbread house. We prepared the dough already the other week.
Does it smell good?
Yeah, I think it should be. It should be fine though. And we actually wrapped it up, but I don't know. It feels like
What? No.
No. I mean, I think it's still good. Smell it.
Oh, this is good.
It smells really gingery. How do you say? Yeah. I feel like it has some other taste to it though. It reminds me of a Chinese food. And I made this. It's made of a cone. It looks like a Christmas tree. Let's cut this first in half so you get a part and I get a part.
55-35.
What?
Don't cut it 50-50.
Why not?
Because I'm not secured for it. So if I do some bad things,
Okay.
at least I have the bigger part, you know?
Look at the gingers all coming out. I actually never really ate gingerbread.
I just did.
Yeah, but it's the raw, those raw.
That's good.
Really? You like it?
I do.
I tasted the other time and it was like...
Why you? And then it's my fault. This one is gonna be worked with.
That tastes good.
Right?
Be careful because it's gonna get sticky, so you can use a little bit of flour to make it less stickier, you know, when you roll it out. I'm gonna make the house, the outside part.
Okay.
Like the roof.
Backyard.
No. We have to first agree on how we do it. It's a bit hard. What are you doing? It actually looks like bread.
Right?
Like proper bread.
I was enjoying the nice set of a nice knife. Because I don't think I can roll up
Actually,
such a big quantity, so I'm gonna roll up small quantities.
I know, but you have to keep it thick.
Keep it
Like thicker, you know, so it's stable.
We jump from here to here.
Because it's so hard to roll it out here. I'm gonna do it on the table.
It's already getting crispy. Use your knife.
I know. Here. This looks already pretty good. I'm just scared that it sticks too badly on it. No. Make sure there's enough flour, otherwise it will stick. I mean, when you roll it out too. Don't put too much flour, otherwise.
Will change the color.
No, but
Also that.
I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be too much flour because it's not bread. Although it's called gingerbread. Oh, is it bread then?
Eggs.
No, you're rolling it out too flat, too thin, baby. Look how thick mine is.
God damn it, baby.
1 centimeter, that's not even half of a centimeter.
I have a ruler in my hand. Hey, but I'm pretty good at this. Look at this.
Baby, please don't waste the dough.
No, but I have to put it thicker again.
It's so much flour. I'm gonna take the measurement out from here. I don't know, I'm just gonna do it the way I think.
Like you always do.
This is the perfect work for me actually. Building houses. This is the first front house. The front
of the house, not
Yeah,
the front
yeah.
door. Okay.
and
It's gonna be
now
cool. I see it happening already. Yeah.
I have an idea, babe.
I have two. I'm gonna make a window.
No. The windows is I have to cut them out and then we already have the shape because otherwise you have to copy.
Wait, I got stuff to do. I know I got stuff. I'm starting drowning stuff.
I have an idea.
Drawing.
Take this measurement.
What man? How do I take measurement?
There you.
Still think you're dealing with pipes and wood.
Here we have the door already.
I can draw on the door, like the door knob and stuff.
Yeah, you can make a little thing
What is
around. Make it a little
it? Doorknob. That's what I
the doorknob.
don't underestimate this. There's a lot of few
Shall we do a circle in the house or like 2 windows?
I like circle.
You like the circle here?
And a window.
Then when
circle and 2 windows. Come on,
that's too much.
Get light in the house.
You know what you could do?
The door is crooked.
Cut me something exactly. Give me something that is exactly this.
Don't underestimate my work. I'm doing the door. It's important.
Ah! Look. I feel like this gingerbread house is not really symmetric.
That's what makes it beautiful.
Now we have to get the exact same size, like this one. Babe, don't cut too much off because it needs to fit in here. What are you doing?
Millimeter. I'm making it beautiful. Also,
what?
Roll out.
No, I'm gonna steal a little bit of flour and then I'll roll it out myself.
With your hands?
No, with the thing, because you're taking so long with the thing and then I'm just gonna use it. I think though, you know, the thing is you put so much effort baking it and then you don't eat it after all.
Oh, I will, because I kind of like this stuff.
Yeah, but you're gonna break the gingerbread?
Yeah. Afterwards we can have a demolition like...
With a hammer?
Like the little gingerbread men who were evicted from the house.
You can also, when we have some dough left over, make some gingerbread mans. Or just human.
Mans or just human?
Like a little human. I'm gonna make this. Just by my hand. Turned out good. Look. I'm an artist. Okay, take the other dough from here.
I'm the dough master.
Yeah. The dough.
Can the dough master get some space?
Yeah.
This one?
This one is now for the roof.
Wasn't that one for the roof?
No, this one is the same piece as this.
Okay. So what up?
You are doing the roof. So make it a little bit more like a triangle. Not triangle. Square. Rectangle.
Oh, you're getting good.
Although this is a bit thin.
Okay, use this one. This one is...
But now I did it already.
Yes. Use this one.
Can you do it again then? Be careful.
I trust you. Oh, I should be working.
Please. Ain't no cutting it by itself.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And I know when she's away.
Anytime she goes away. Dun, 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 dun. I can use this. I can work with that.
Oh shit! I'm sorry.
Oh my god, this is so ugly. I'm gonna twist it so nobody sees it. I feel like it's not...
It's bigger.
Wait, I can adjust this. It's bigger because the dough is elastic. Please look. This is so much bigger.
I can really just only see the perfection on the door.
It was 2 a.m.
Is it? Nah.
Yeah.
Oh baby, I gotta wake up in 2 hours.
What do you have to do?
I gotta go to the mall again.
Again?
Forgot a gift.
For who? Babe, don't forget rectangle.
I don't know how you do though.
You just go from one side more than the other. You don't push it all. You make it like a pizza.
I'm a pizzaiolo.
You just have to do it from one side to the other, and then you push it. Like a self-built tree house.
Tiny house.
A tiny house. Or like a container house.
Favela. It was me who did it.
Oh.
8 minutes. Ooh, it's smoke coming out. It's gonna get thick, right? I knew it all along. Because I'm the pizzaiola.
It looks so good.
I'm the pizzaiola. I knew it along.
So it doesn't have to be that thick. That
But now you have to do everything.
thing. Why? What is? Babe, I need to stop. Babe, this is so bad.
Hey! He has really big eyes. The body looks like a hot dog.
Yeah, I know. You only notice it now.
You remember all that conversation about shaping the mind of the kids that the schools do?
Yeah.
You're shaping my mind right now. I want to be free and create hot dogs.
So we have to save the dough
Okay,
first.
what should I do this?
Oh, it's getting a little bit brown. Oh, just good. Like just. Is it already kind of holding? No?
Let me scratch my forehead. Oh yeah, right there. Okay.
I'm just putting the last pieces together for the gingerbread house. And we have the chimney where the Christmas man is gonna sit. It was my first Christmas in a foreign family, and it was really nice to learn about the Christmas in their way. Portugal and Christmas definitely means diabetes, at least for me. You get a lot of sweets on Christmas days, especially stuff that are made with egg yolk. You'll definitely not like on food, that's for sure. On the 24th, you get served in it that is really traditional. You get boiled codfish that is already dried up, and you will find it everywhere in the local grocery stores. You get boiled potatoes and cabbage.
Vai! Olha você, mãe! Ele vai! Yeah! Ele vai! Yeah! Você vai! Oh! Peño! Yeah! Você vai! Wait! What are you putting that aside for? What are you putting that one aside for? Open up!
Ó, pai, nenenzinhos aqui. Olha lá. A gente está a procurar às vezes este papel para qualquer coisa. A gente vai cortar de laranja. Então e agora? Não estou a ver.
Bateu aqui a mesa!
Opa, coitado disso, lá não.
Make him go, make him go. Leave it open.
I had a wonderful time, but of course I missed my own family and my friends back at home. I hope you know that I missed you so much and I love you. I hope you had a great time with your family and friends, where you got together and had a great dinner and a great time, because I realized this time, being so far away, that it is all about the preparation of the food and sharing it together and having a wonderful time talking. So let's end this year with a big belly and a grateful heart, because this is what it is all about. And no matter if Christmas or not, that it is all about being happy with the ones you love. I love you so much, guys. Thank you for everything, and I'll see you very soon. Hopefully in the next year. Bye!